Hello and welcome. So this is going to be a War Thunder guide on how to use the A-10 properly and also how to operate and command the A-10. What you want to first do is take off with the flaps to take off, so then you get more drag. And then once you've taken off, let's go for an air target first. Oh, by the way, before I forget, please consider liking and subscribing. Helps out me a lot. I know this is quite a new but active channel. I will be doing a lot of videos like this. I just really would like it and be very right. Now that we've reached the target, you're going to want to click LB and A on controller, and that'll pop up this screen. You're going to want to click LB and RT, which will fire the missile once you're just under about 3 miles. The missile's an A-9L, and they are quite flammable, so just be cautious of that. And they can carry 30 Gs though, of tolerance. So there, of course, we got the kill. We're going to turn back around and try to get a SBAA kill though. Oh, and as I mentioned it, go into controls here, and then go to the search bar at the top and search up countermeasures. You don't actually have to search up countermeasures, you can just get close to that. But then once you have, you can either choose a preset of periodic countermeasures release on and off, and fire countermeasures. Countermeasures will just make it so that you click the button and only a little tiny amount of countermeasures are released. But periodic means you click the button and it will not stop until you click the button again. I recommend having the periodic countermeasures on because they are easier to use than the countermeasures in general, the button one. So now I'm going to show you the A-10's best air-to-ground weapon system. It is the ATGM'S 65B, okay? And I'm going to show you how to use that in just a second. If you equip that with the A9Ls, then you should be good for ground realistic battles, because this is pretty much the only and best loadout there is for that. So once you have taken off, like me right here, you're going to want to gain some altitude, okay? Keep in mind that you're going towards your target, okay? You're going to want to do a little bit of an inverted dive like that, and just kind of come up with a nice approach. You want to click LB and D-pad right, or left, I can't remember which one it is, and it'll pop up with this little screen. I've got a bug, which pretty much I can't properly lock onto the target, but you should be able to do it there.